My subscribers that have been with me for a while know that every year for many years I put up my baking themed Christmas tree. Over the years, anytime we went somewhere, whether it was on vacation or whatnot, and I saw a baking ornament, I would pick it up. I probably have well over 100. Well, this year, as you know, my one and only, my hubby, Tim, passed away in April, on April 8th. And I really haven't been in much of a mood to even decorate or celebrate Christmas. But, you know, I have children, I have grandchildren, and I thought I will put up a tree and I'll maybe do something a little bit different. I didn't even go in the basement and take any of my ornaments or arrangements out, but I put up a Grinch tree, and when I look at it, it does make me smile. There's the Grinch on the top. I'll try to zoom in. And I have just different kinds of fun ornaments and lollipops and signs. And I love this over here. I have the hand sticking out of the tree with the ornament. And there's the little signs, Whoville and Grinch Street. And there's the little doggy. And there's some presents on there. That just says the Grinch. That says nice. And over here, that says Grinch mode, and there's a couple of stockings hanging too. There's the Grinch on that one, and I think there's one down there. Oh, it's hard to see with Cindy Lou, but you know, I like it and it makes me smile. And like the kids have said to me, Daddy wouldn't want you to be sitting at home sad and moping, and you know, he would want our family to be together and have a nice time. Oh, there's the Grinch I have. He's standing on the floor, but he's amongst some of the presents that I put under there. And let me swing you around and show you something else. I really only decorated the living room and the dining room this year. To be honest with you, my heart was not in it. But I did it for my family. On my coffee table, I have a flameless candle here. And this candle ring I ordered from a woman on Etsy. And she did a beautiful job. It's all different ribbons. And the white ones, if you saw them close up, have a Grinch design on them. And I think it really came out nice. It looks pretty. And this might be hard to see at night, but I think this is a Hallmark little piece. And it has the Grinch, and the tree revolves, and the fireplace flickers, and the dog's on there. And if you put the switch the other way, it talks about the Grinch and plays a little music. But I wasn't sure if I was allowed to play it on YouTube, so I skipped over it. And then I just kept on there my gold mercury glass candles that light up at night, and they look pretty on there too. Here's my Grinch Christmas tree lit up at night. My walls are sort of like a beigey color, so I don't know how well you can see the tree, but it's all clear lights on it, and it's very pretty. I love that hand. And then, of course, there are some gifts already under the tree, and then, of course, we have Mr. Grinch. And over here is a few things on this buffet table. And for Christmas, my girlfriend gave me this Grinch on a sleigh. Let me press his hand and see if it will work. Hold on.
Hold on, it's about to get Grinchy. Hold on, it's about to get Grinchy.
rock. I'll figure that out. And this is an adorable Grinch statue I bought. I found it in Costco, and it's by Jim Shore. It's very heavy, and it is the Grinch with the doggy. And then I picked up this runner that has a little saying on it. Well, I try to get in here. Maybe Christmas, the Grinch thought, doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas, perhaps, means a little bit more. And I like that saying, so I thought I would just put that on here. But like I say, minimal decorating this year, but it's all good. On my coat closet door, when you come in, I have a little whimsical decoration. It has Grinch feet. It says, "Welcome to Whoville" on it. And there's a poinsettia, some ribbons, and a Santa hat. Here's a shot of my Grinch tablecloth that I was able to find. And in the center of the table, I put my own little arrangement. There's 3 wooden trees with polka dots on them. That's the Grinch theme. And I'll try to zoom in. These are 3 painted mason jars that I have like sort of whimsical, Grinchy things inside. And it looks cute on the table. And since the living room and dining room are together, it goes nice with the tree. And then I put the red placemats on it. They're actually cork. They're made out of cork. And I put them on because we do eat on this tablecloth, and it is cloth, so I didn't want it to get dirty before Christmas. So let me back up a little bit and you can see it. And I also was able to buy Grinch paper plates, napkins, cups, so it'll be a Grinch-mas Christmas. On the kitchen shelf, look who's here. It's Cooking with the Grinch. It's the Grinch with his chef hat on. Isn't that cute? I'll zoom in on him. And there's his little apron. And he's perfect for the kitchen. And here's a new candle I got as a gift. It says Hot Cocoa and Cream from Bath and Body Works. And it smells really good. And here I have hanging on the oven handle, it's 2 Grinch dish towels. The one says stink, stank, stunk. And the other one says, drink up, Grinches, it's Christmas. I did hang up the stockings. And at first I wasn't going to hang up my hubby's because he wasn't here. But you know what? This would have been the first time in 56 years that I hadn't hung his stocking. So I decided to hang it. It's behind mine. And I'm going to start a tradition. There was a charity that he was very involved with. He donated to them every year, so I'm going to donate them in memory of him, and I'm going to put that notice in his stocking, and I'll make it a new tradition. And here's, the grandchildren's stockings. We even have one for Cinnamon here, so yeah, maybe Santa will fill them. And here's some family pictures I have on the wall going up the stairs. I'm dedicating this video to my husband, Tim. This is our first Christmas that we won't be together in 56 years. I can't even begin to tell you how much he will be missed. I'm upon this saying, and it's exactly how I feel. So if you like to read it, feel free. I just know I won't be able to get through it without crying.
So Tim, I hope you're up in heaven looking down on me and your family. We love you so much, and you will be sorely missed. And remember what I told you, when my time comes, make sure you come and get me and save a place up there for me. So Tim, Merry Christmas. I love you with all my heart.